Welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching. I'm Austin.
And I'm Kylie. It's Tuesday, October 15th. Today's no cheat trivia question is, which of the 7 ancient wonders of the world is still standing?
It's homecoming week. Today is meme day, tomorrow is theme day. So for freshmen, it's disco, sophomores, it's rap/hip hop, juniors, it's rock, and seniors, it's jazz.
Tomorrow we will not have an assembly, but we will have the PSAT. All sophomores and the juniors who signed up will be taking the test. Bring a number 2 pencil, and please, if you know that you are taking the test, you will not be able to leave campus for lunch.
The final assembly of the week will be on Thursday, which will be an AM event assembly schedule for the lip syncs. It's not too late to go to practices at lunch and see what to do for your lip sync.
Of course, homecoming week all leads to the game and the dance. The football team will take on Springfield starting at 7 Friday night, and afterwards the dance will be until 11:30. Buy your shirt, which is your ticket to the dance, at lunch and after school in the ticket office across from Carmen. Cost is $10 with ASB and $15 without, and shirts must stay unaltered to get into the dance. Also, a reminder that you will need your student ID to get into the dance and that you will not be allowed to bring anything into the dance, meaning bags, backpacks, coats. If you bring these things in, they will be left unattended in the culinary room, so it's better to just not bring them.
National Honor Society members, we have a meeting on Thursday, October 17th to talk about our fundraiser. Please come to room 211 during lunch.
Beginning Fiddle Club will meet this Tuesday and Thursday at lunch. Continuing Fiddle will meet Wednesday at lunch.
Any female athletes who are not competing in fall sport and would be interested in exploring the sport of wrestling are invited to join our own Brooke Sieber Wrestling Clinic from 3 to 4:30 p.m. on Wednesday in the wrestling room.
Cheer is hosting another tryout for winter season. There is a candidate and parent info meeting next week on October 17th at 7 p.m.
Seniors, listen up. There's a FAFSA and financial aid workshop being hosted in the Future Center on Wednesday, October 16th from 6 to 7:45 p.m. Email Randy Davis to RSVP.
Volleyball played against the Panthers last night and got a clean win in straight sets. Here's some highlights. That's it for today. The answer to today's no cheat trivia question. The only standing ancient wonder of the world is the Great Pyramid at Giza, which was built in 2500 BC, making it over 4,500 years old.
That's a long time. As always, check out our YouTube page at youtube.com/Ridgeview Ravens. I'm Austin.
And I'm Kylie. Have an epic day and stay classy.